Ladies and gentlemen, this is a broadcast made by a new Fúlāñi siege, a puppet planted in Enugu State called Peter Mbah. Is trying to counteract the sit-at-home order on every Monday, which he made on TV broadcast. And today, being 5th of June 2023, there was a total massive lockdown in Enugu, just to make a foolish of his directive from the office saying that there will be no sit-at-home. Sit-at-home has come to an end. Also, after that, the indigenes of Enugu State disobey his speech. I want you to watch what this man said and what happens today, Monday, 5th of June 2023. Thank you. This is Biafra Battle Cry Channel TV.
Today is 5th June 2023, Kano's Day. Biafrans are sitting at home, as you can see. This is one of the busiest roads in Nsukka town called Alu Dele Nsukka. They play the show. See road. This road leads to Nsukka main market. Very dry. Biafrans are sitting at home. Today is 5th June 2023. This is Access Bank, University of Nigeria, Nsukka. They are observing sit at home, as you can see. Nobody is there. This one is UNN Staff Microfinance Bank. 5th of June 2023, as you can see. Then this road, this one leads to UNN, University Secondary School in Nsukka. It's also dry. University Road in Nsukka by Aludele. As you can see, drivers are sitting at home. 5th June 2023. This is Film Bank in Nsukka. This is University Road in Nsukka. If they play, they show drivers are sitting at home. 5th June 2023. This is University Road in Nsukka. Biafrans are sitting at home. 5th June 2023. And this is Eco Bank, University Road in Nsukka. University Road in Nsukka. As you can see, Biafrans are sitting at home. Everywhere is under lock and key. 5th June 2023. University Road in Nsukka. If they play, they show. 5th June, Biafrans are sitting at home. This is Eco Bank in Nsukka, University Road in Nsukka. This is Nsukka total roundabout. Biafrans are sitting at home, as you can see. This is mobile filling station right here in Nsukka town. 5th June 2023. Everywhere is under lock and key. Nobody is here. C Road, Naposa. Enugu Road in Nsukka. 5th June 2023. Biafrans are sitting at home. This is one of the busiest roads in Nsukka town called Aludele. As you can see, it is sealed by this time of the day. If they play, they show. Enugu Road in Nsukka, 5th June 2023. Biafrans are sitting at home. Let me go inside and see if we can see any students. This is Model Primary School in Nsukka. We have Model 1 and Model 2. Not even a student is here. One of the government schools in Nsukka town. It is called Model Primary School in Nsukka. Kano's Day. Fifth June 2023. This is Enugu Road in Nsukka. As you can see, this is Cathedral. Everywhere is locked. Enugu Road, they play, they show. Biafrans are sitting at home. Look at this shop here. Chicken Republic, sealed. C Road. 5th June 2023. This is Enugu Road in Nsukka. As you can see, this is Cathedral. Everywhere is locked. Enugu Road, they play, they show. Biafrans are sitting at home. Look at this shop here. Chicken Republic, sealed. Sea Road. 5th June 2023. This is in Nsukka Main Market. It is under lock and key. As you can see, Biafrans are sitting at home. This is Aludele and Nsukka. Everywhere is sealed. Today's own of Chinchin. Okbarapo. If they play the show. Biafra or nothing. 5th June 2023. Biafrans are sitting at home. This is one of the busiest roads in Nsukka town called Aludele. As you can see, it is sealed by this time of the day. If they play the show. 5th June 2023. Biafrans are sitting at home. This is one of the busiest roads in Nsukka town called Aludele. As you can see, it is sealed by this time of the day. If they play the show. This is in Nsukka total roundabout. 5th June 2023. As you can see, Biafrans are sitting at home. Total roundabout in Nsukka. And this is total filling station. Everywhere is under lock and key. As you can see, Biafrans are sitting at home. Today is 5th June 2023. This is Enugu Road in Nsukka by Cathedral. And this is one of the government schools in Nsukka town called Model Primary School. Nobody is here. Let me go closer. Not even an ant. They play, they show. Model Primary School in Nsukka. 5th June 2023. Kano's Day. Today is 5th June 2023. This is one of the malls in Nsukka along Enugu Road. It is under lock and key. Okay, Biafrans are sitting at home. Today's own, in fact, Okbarapo Chinchin. In the Sea Road in Afia. This is a bank, Kenichuku Microfinance Bank, under lock and key. Ndo chuna huru ha. Just nka ka na ho since ụtụtụ nọ na main road. Ihere megbu ha as they are going. Ebe niile dị under lock and key. Ha ka dị akpọfụta mmadụ na bịa. Lekwa ụzọ. Ndị amị na-echekwaba. Look at road 5th June 2023. There. Ndị idiot, they are looking for whom to kill. This is Enugu Road in Nsukka by Akuro Junction. Enugu Road in Nsukka. Enugu Road in Nsukka. Up there is parked. All the keke, they are parked. Today sit at home. You sit at home with swag. Biafrans are sitting at home. This is Enugu Road in Nsukka. 5th June 2023. As you can see, everywhere is sealed. Gang, 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 gang. Kano's Day must be kept holy. This is Ife Sinachi Park in Nsukka. 5th June 2023. It is under lock and key.
Holy Ghost, Ajagba, Holy Ghost, Ajagba. Monso balata burada bajulata Buhari nelocho. Jere nulo paro bafta namudi kano. Jere nulo paro bafta namudi kano. One ye merundigo. One parirundigo. Mboye ipe namdi kano. Owu manet. No ye magunu bo. Monso balata burada bajulata Buhari.
Nelocheo, Jere no poro bafta namodi kanu. Sure.
We must free our markets from the shackles of restriction to commerce. If indeed we aspire and anticipate an influx of private sector practitioners and investors in Enugu State, we must know that this will not happen where our perception is that of unproductive people. Consequently, from Monday, June 5, 2023, there will be no observance of any sit at home in all the nooks and crannies of Enugu State. Government will enforce with all the powers at its disposal this order. In this regard, government is willing to engage in dialogue with people who have genuine grievances towards bringing lasting peace and security to Enugu State. My charge to all of you, market men and women, the corporate world, industries, schools, civil servants, and all strata of workers in Enugu State, is to take back our sense of industry, pride of place, and reenact our glorious past. By heeding this call, you would have set us on the path of actualizing our mandate. Let me also call on our newly sworn-in President, His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, to consciously work towards the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We believe his release will expedite the healing process Nigeria needs at this time. It would also be a pointer to the administration's extension of brotherly
Obodo kenenu Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Amadike. Kani kenebenu Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Amadike. Amadike Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Amadike. Ikabugo ndilo yo, Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Amadike.